Hi there and welcome. Today we're going to take some frozen burgers and grill them up on the Ninja Foodi Grill. Also going to make an easy, delicious Chipotle Mayo to go along with it. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started on those burgers, let's make our Chipotle Mayo. I'm going to add about a half a cup of mayonnaise to my food processor. I have some chipotle peppers that are already diced. I am going to add about a tablespoon of that, a pinch of salt, and just a little bit of cracked black pepper. And that is it. I am going to put the lid on my food processor, pulse this a few times. By the way, I took a little taste of this. Delicious. I have the grill grate placed into the Ninja Foodi. Now I'm going to shut the lid. We need to preheat this. I'm going to hit the start button. Go over here to the left at the grill and give that a push. It's right at 500 degrees where I want it. So now I'm going to hit the start button. When this is all preheated, it will beep and let me know that we are ready to add our burgers. The frozen patties I will be using today, I picked up at Aldi. They're from Cattleman's Ranch. I have beef brisket with salt and black pepper and hatch chili with provolone. Yes, please, these are my favorites so far. They have like 5 or 6 different varieties. I know they have a garlic, sriracha, pub burgers, and I think there's one more and I don't remember what it is. But if you want to give these a try, get to Aldi, because you know one day they have them and the next they don't. So I will take a few each out and then we'll get them on the Ninja Foodi Grill. All preheated. Add our patties. I'm going to use Weber Chicago steak seasoning for these burgers. I'm looking for internal temp on my burgers at least 165 degrees. If you want more of a medium well, keep an eye on it, and I suggest getting a digital thermometer. So I have the timer set. Well, it was set for 10 minutes. 5 minutes in, I'm going to flip the burgers over and season the other side. Close the lid and let it go for the remaining time. Our burgers are just about done. I have a couple of hamburger buns here that I want to toast. So I am just lightly buttering each side of these. As soon as the burgers are done, we will pop them into the Ninja Foodi Grill for about 2 to 3 minutes, and these will be nice and toasted. All right, our 10 minutes is up. I'm going to take a quick eternal temp. The burgers are done. Now is the time to add cheese if you want that. I'm going to put provolone cheese over on the hatch chili side and American cheese on the beef brisket. Now, no need to turn this on. Just shut the lid, and in about 30 seconds to 1 minute, the cheese will be nice and melted. Now again, I'm just going to let these go for 2 or 3 more minutes. I'll let you know exactly how long these took. It's been 2 minutes and the buns are nice and toasted. Those are the burgers in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.